Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that can transform the way you approach your goals. How to practice effectively for just about anything. Whether you're learning a new language, mastering a musical instrument, or preparing for a big exam, effective practice is the key to success. So let's get started. First, let's talk about setting clear, achievable goals. Before you even begin practicing, it's crucial to know what you're aiming for. Break down your ultimate goal into smaller, manageable tasks. For instance, if you're learning a new language, set a goal to learn a certain number of new words each day. This way, you can track your progress and stay motivated. A great way to set goals is by using the SMART criteria. Make sure your goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. This method helps you focus on what truly matters and keeps you on track. Next, let's discuss the importance of focused practice. It's not about how long you practice, but how effectively you use your time. Research shows that short, intense practice sessions are more effective than long, unfocused ones. Set aside dedicated time each day where you can practice without distractions. Turn off your phone, find a quiet space, and give your full attention to the task at hand. One technique to help with this is the Pomodoro Technique. Work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. This method helps maintain high levels of concentration and prevents burnout. Repeat this cycle a few times, and you'll find that you're able to practice more effectively. Another crucial aspect of effective practice is variety. Mix things up to keep your practice sessions interesting and engaging. If you're studying for an exam, don't just read your notes. Try different methods like flashcards, quizzes, and teaching the material to someone else. This not only makes practice more enjoyable, but also helps reinforce your learning. Tracking your progress is also essential. Keep a journal or a spreadsheet to record what you've practiced and any improvements you've noticed. This will help you stay accountable and see how far you've come, which can be incredibly motivating. Don't forget to incorporate rest and recovery into your practice routine. Our brains and bodies need time to process new information and skills. Make sure you're getting enough sleep, taking breaks, and engaging in relaxing activities. This balance is key to maintaining long-term progress and avoiding burnout. Finally, consider seeking feedback and support. Join a study group, take lessons from a mentor, or ask for constructive criticism from peers. This external perspective can provide valuable insights and help you improve more quickly. To recap, effective practice involves setting clear goals, focusing during practice sessions, incorporating variety, tracking progress, allowing for rest, and seeking feedback. By implementing these strategies, you'll be well on your way to mastering whatever you set your mind to. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on achieving your goals. Leave a comment below sharing your own practice tips, or let us know what you'd like to see in future videos. Until next time, keep practicing effectively and stay motivated. Remember, it's not about practicing more, but practicing smarter. You've got this.